Hello everyone and welcome to Hanamir. In this video I will be telling you how to stream the live view count of any video on YouTube. For those of you who are not familiar with OBS, and would like to know how to create this particular template, please do watch my previous tutorial. I will leave a link to it in the description. Now coming to the live view counts, you will need a website that provides the live view count of a video. I will provide you the link to that website in the description. Copy the link and paste it on a notepad. Now search for the video for which you want to view the live view count. After the video is loaded, copy the video ID of the particular video like this. Now append the video ID to the previously copied link as I show. After doing this, open a new browser source on OBS, do all the necessary adjustments as I had told in my previous video. Finally paste the link. You will be getting a screen which shows the live video count. Crop it and apply the filters according to your requirement. How did you like my tutorial? Let me know in the comments section. Please do like and subscribe for more like this.